When you first realized that you were going to play in the McDonald game? I heard that when the coach called you to the side, you thought you were in trouble or something. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, it was real shocking. I wasn't expecting it. Like, I didn't know what a McDonald All-American was at first, like, until I did my research and stuff, and I found out it was a big thing, and I'm proud to be that and rep CT.
Right, right. And it's what, March 28th?
Yes.
So are you looking forward to that game? Are you nervous? I mean, do you have any expectations for yourself for that day? I know a lot of people are going to be there, and a lot of athletes are going to be there.
I'm a little nervous, but it's nothing I can't handle. Like, I've been through these situations throughout my whole life. So,
right.
Yeah, I'm ready to take on the challenge and just go out there and play my game, play basketball.
How long have you been playing basketball for?
Since I was 5.
And what made you play? Like, do you remember your first time touching the basketball, or how you got introduced to the game of basketball?
My older brother and my cousins, they used to go to the court all the time and play basketball, and I just, like, followed the league and just started playing. And then from there, I took it to, the leagues and stuff.
Right, right.
The rec leagues, and from there, I just been working on my game.
Now, I went to the school a couple of days ago and last week, and I know you're busy and you're a student athlete and you have a lot of things to do, but I was really trying to look up for a time to play maybe a game with you, or pig or horse. Now, just because you're All-American and you're one of the best in the state, I wasn't gonna be easy. I used to play. Don't let the soup fool you. But maybe we could do like a little game of horse or pig. But I love to have student athletes come on my show. Like I said, the key word is student athletes, because you're a student first and you're also outstanding athlete. How do you manage your grades and still being the #1 player, in the state of Connecticut? How can you do both? Because a lot of people can't do both. You have a lot of athletes in the city of New Haven, but they don't make it as far as what they would like to because the books are holding them back. So how do you do it?
You just gotta block all the outsiders out and stay focused in school, do your work, because it's books before ball.
Right, right, right. And do you ever feel like sometimes do you ever feel caught up in some of the negative activities that takes place in New Haven? Do you ever feel like you're gonna possibly be caught up, or not really?
Not really, because I know who I am and I know what I do, so nah.
Right, right. Tell us a little bit about this year. How's this year? And who, in your opinion, is the toughest team that you guys faced so far? And tell us a little bit about
that. This year has been a long ride, because we don't have people that we had last year. Mm-hmm. But the toughest team that we faced would probably, I have to say, be Career Panthers. Mm-hmm. We played them 4 times. They beat us 3, and we beat them when it really counted as states.
Good, good.
But then we wind up losing in the semifinal game to Newtown, and they won states.
Right, right. Looking back, when you lost the game, what do you think your team needed to do to overcome the win? And what did you think you had to do individually?
My team, I'll say less turnovers, protect the ball and stuff, and communicate more. For me, I don't know, I think I should have just took over the game more from the start all the way to the end, instead of trying to do it in the middle.
Right. Any athletes that you try to emulate in the basketball, WNBA or NBA, that you try to have your game off of?
I really like Kevin Durant. He's my idol. I watch his game a lot.
Right,
He's my favorite player.
Tell me about. You told me when your coach brought you to the side and you were made to the American game. Tell me how your Hill House family and your family kind of embraced it and the moment it was.
It was tough, but all you can do is really smile and laugh about it and keep going forward.
Right, right. What is something that Bria likes to do besides basketball? Something that my viewers and people that may not know you as much, like what else you like to do?
Shop for sneakers.
Nice.
Go shop and hang with my friends, the people who really matter.
Right, right, right. Now,